In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix high ping in Valorant. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might be having some connection issues on Valorant, and it can be really annoying, especially when ping is, really important. So you don't want to be playing on high ping. So this is what you want to do, and this really just applies for Valorant or any other Riot game. Firstly, if you're on wireless, make sure that you are on a wired connection instead. And if you're basically somewhere where, it's a lot harder to have a wide connection, like let's say if your router is like in another room or something, you can get something like this. It's called a power line adapter, and there's some expensive ones and some not so expensive ones. And it's basically like you plug one where your router is and you plug the other one where your setup is, and then you plug this one into your PC, this one into your router, and it's going to be basically a hybrid between wireless and, having a hard connection using an Ethernet. So I would definitely recommend using this, and I'd also recommend pairing that up with a category 8 Ethernet cable. So you're going to have to spend a bit, but especially if you take Valorant or just gaming seriously and you want good results, you should definitely have a high-speed Ethernet cable. Category 8 Ethernets are very important to have because they offer the best speeds and they are also the most stable. So I definitely wouldn't recommend getting anything below Cat 8. After that, just make sure that you're not using a VPN, because if you're using a VPN, it's going to slow things down. Next, make sure that your account is set to your region. For example, if you're playing from Europe, make sure that you're not on like NA servers, because you're just naturally going to get high ping then because you're so far away from the servers. And the final thing I'd recommend doing is updating your drivers. So all you got to do is just go to your device manager. So just type in device manager right here. It's going to look something like this. And then all you want to do is go to network adapters. Once you're at network adapters, find your Ethernet or whatever your wireless, Wi-Fi card is. Right click on it and press update driver. Then you can search automatically for a driver, or if you have it saved on your PC, you can use that as well. We're going to search automatically, and if you have the best driver installed, you'll be good to go. If you don't, you want to install the latest version.